Hello children, welcome to 7th Science online classes. Today we are going to start the new chapter, chapter 6, Physical and Chemical Changes. Changes around you. Every day we come across many changes that are taking place all around us. So when we look around, we can see many changes. These changes may involve one or more substances. Sometimes one change, sometimes we can see more changes. Sometimes milk becomes sour. Okay, milk after getting spoiling, the taste is changed. Okay, a sour taste. Souring of milk is a change. So there also happened one change. Making a sugar solution is a change. So actually sugar is a crystal or it is a solid form. But when it is dissolved in water, its state changed. So there also you can see or you can notice one change. Setting of curd from milk. So we get curd from milk. So that is also a change. Melting of ice. When we keep ice cube outside, it start to melt. So that melting, that also a change. Stretching a rubber band. So you can see in this picture melting of ice cube and stretching of a rubber band. So here also you can see the size and shape changed. So here also you can see the change. Cutting of paper is a change. Okay, when you cut a paper, so that small pieces come, so there also you can see the change. Burning of paper is also a change. Here you can see the picture, burning of a paper. Okay, so when you look around, you can see many changes around you. So now we study different kinds of changes. In this chapter, we shall study the nature of these changes. Broadly, these changes are of two kinds, physical changes and chemical changes. So we learned many examples of changes. Okay, getting curd from milk, burning of paper, cutting of wood, okay, melting of ice. These all are the examples of changes every day we see around us. And these changes broadly we can classify it as two. They are physical changes and chemical changes. So children listen, changes we can classify it as physical changes as well as chemical changes. And we study this, what is physical change and what is chemical change in detail. Now we will learn more about physical changes. First, we shall see some activities to show the physical changes that are taking place all around us. First, we see this video. Here, cutting a log of wood with an axe. So you can see small pieces of wood. So first it was a big piece, but after cutting it become small pieces. But that small pieces and that big one, both are wood. What is the change? Only shape has changed and size also has changed. Okay, so size and shape has some changes. And what about the second video? That is the melting of ice. So you know that ice is in a solid state and after melting it will become liquid state. Okay, so here in this video it is very clear that a solid ice melt into form liquid water. So here what is the change? State changed. Yes, of course, size and shape of ice changed, but here the important thing is state also has some changes. And what about this third video? Here, an iron rod. You know what is the color of an iron rod. But after heating the iron rod, you can see a glow there, a glow. So that is a color change. Okay, so here color has changed. So in these three videos, first video size and shape has some changes, and here in the second video state has some changes, and in the third video this color has changed. From that activities we observed that size, shape, color and state has some changes. So these are called physical properties. So what is physical property? Properties such as shape, size, color and state of a substance are called its physical properties. So physical properties means these things: shape, size, color and state. And what is a physical change? A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties such as shape, size, color and state is called a physical change. So now we know that what are physical properties. Physical properties are this shape, size, color and state. And when any change in these physical properties such as shape, size, color and state, we can call that change physical change. Examples, see here in the first picture, white marbles and green marbles mixed together. So here what this is a change. First it is white marbles and green marbles separately, and when we mix together means we can see that change. But here any new substance is formed? No, here no new substance, only this white marble and green marble, but they mixed together, only some changes. And here also the melting of ice. So here that state also has some changes, but no new other substances. Actually this is also water, and ice cube, that is also water, but only state has some changes. And in this picture, cutting of paper. In cutting of paper, these small pieces of paper also paper, and size and shape only has some changes, but still they are pieces of paper. And here cutting of a wooden piece. So here cutting small pieces of wood, that is also wood, but only the size and shape has some changes. So any changes in the physical properties, that change is called a physical change. And what are physical properties? Shape, size, color and state. So any change of these physical properties, we can call that change as physical change. And in a physical change, no new substance is formed. Okay, when cutting of wood, no new substance form. Here cutting of paper, no new substance is formed. Melting of ice, there is also no new substance is formed. And mixing of marbles, there also no new substance are formed. Then a physical change is a temporary change. That is a temporary change, not a permanent change. Okay, that is a temporary change. So these are the things we studied today. So all of you learned that, watch the video and read the textbook also very well. Okay children, thank you, all the best.